Why do I get Python indentation errors? Imagine trying to build a puzzle where each piece has to fit perfectly in its spot. If one piece is out of place, the whole picture can fall apart. That's what happens with Python indentation errors. They happen because Python uses spaces or tabs at the start of each line to understand how your code is grouped. Unlike other languages that ignore indentation, in Python, it's part of the syntax. When you write code inside loops, functions, or conditionals, you need to indent those lines properly. If you forget to indent after an if statement or a function definition, Python gets confused and throws an error. Another common cause is mixing spaces and tabs. If you start with spaces and then switch to tabs, Python sees that as inconsistent. It's like speaking two different languages in the same sentence. To avoid this, pick one method and stick with it. Most programmers prefer for spaces for each indentation level because it's clear and standard. Also, be careful not to indent the very first line of your code unless it's part of a block. If you indent the first line without a reason, Python will think you're starting a block where you shouldn't. When you finish a block, like after an if or a for loop, you need to reduce the indentation back to the previous level. If you don't, or if you overdent, Python will complain. It expects your code to follow a consistent structure. To keep things simple, many editors and integrated development environments can automatically convert tabs to spaces and highlight indentation mistakes. Using these tools can save you a lot of time and frustration. Remember, indentation isn't just about making your code look neat. It's how Python understands which lines belong together. If your indentation isn't correct, Python can't tell where one block ends and another begins. That's why fixing indentation errors is so important. It's a key part of writing clean, correct Python code. So, always double-check your indentation levels, stay consistent with spaces or tabs, and use tools to help you keep everything in order. That way your code will run smoothly, and you'll avoid those pesky errors.